This video is going to show you how to create a new calendar in Google. Now, you always have a primary calendar, but you have the ability of creating other calendars as well. So notice, when I click the drop-down arrow under My Calendars, you can create a new calendar. You need to give it a name. I'm going to call it First Period ELA. Notice the organization is Marlboro School District. I'm going to give it a description. This is the calendar. This is the calendar for my first period class at middle. I have the ability of selecting the time zone. I also have the ability of sharing this calendar. Now you can do one of a couple things here. I can share this calendar with everyone in Marlboro, which you probably don't want to do. Okay? Now I also have the ability of sharing this with specific people. So let's imagine that I wanted to share my calendar with Michael Balone. I would simply type in his name, okay? And then I would click add, and then I would also be able to give that person a level of sharing. So notice, the highest level is make changes and manage sharing. They can make changes to events, see all of the event details, or see only the free busy times. I love this one because it doesn't actually give the details, but shows when you are available. Then I will simply have to create the calendar. Okay, so notice now, when I go to my drop-down arrow under my calendars, my first period ELA is now here. Okay, that's how simple it is to create a new calendar. Now, let's imagine that I want to actually manage the settings in my calendar. So I click the down arrow and I can go into calendar settings. Notice up top, I can have the share option, and I also have reminders and notifications. So I'm going to click this. Now, the first, it tells me on my computer screen, when do I want to have a reminder? Okay, so I can choose a pop-up, I can choose an email or an SMS, and then I can pick the number of minutes, or I can pick hours, days, and weeks that I want to have something, and I can always change it. I can also choose down here how I want to be notified. I can be notified for new events, changed events, canceled events, event responses, and I can also receive a daily agenda of everything on my calendar at 5 a.m. and it'll come in as an email. Notice over here the difference between email and your text messages. Now, if you want to do your text messages, you have to go to the mobile setup page. If I click mobile setup, you have to navigate this and you have to enter the verification code and then you have to save it, and then you can also receive text messages for your calendar. So this video was all about how to create a new calendar and also the settings for reminders and notifications.